Welcome children, good morning to all of you. Now I am going to teach you the rest part of the lesson, The Friendly Mongoose. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her as was the customary. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed blood. She cried. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. Now I am telling you the details of this paragraph. The farmer's wife, when she finished her shopping, she returned to her house and she found that the mongoose was waiting at the gate. It was the custom of that house. Whenever any one of the owner came to the house, the mongoose went at the door to welcome him or her. But as she saw the mouth of the mongoose, she cried because the mouth of the mongoose was smeared with blood. His whole body was smeared with the blood. See now the next paragraph. You wicked animal, you have killed my baby. She screamed hysterically. She was blind with rage and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the blood-smeared mongoose and ran inside to the child's cradle. In this paragraph, we know that when the farmer's wife saw the mouth of the mongoose, she became very angry because she misjudged the mongoose and thought that he had killed her child. Therefore, she brought down the heavy basket on the blood-smeared mongoose. It means that she put her heavy basket on the mongoose body and at once ran into the child's cradle. Next paragraph. The baby was fast asleep, but on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. In a flash, she realized what had happened. She ran out looking for the mongoose. The baby was sleeping fast, and on the floor she saw that there was a black snake torn into pieces. She at once realized what happened there. She ran from there to meet to the mongoose. Now the last paragraph. Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. What have I done? She cried, touching the mongoose, who lay dead and still, unaware of her sobbing. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily and rashly, stared long at the dead mongoose. Then she heard the baby crying. Wiping her tears, she went in to feed him. It means that when she saw the situation, she understood what had happened and she went to the mongoose and she told there that he had saved her child, but she had done a very bad thing. She cried, she started to weep, touching the mongoose who was unconsciously lying on the ground and who was not knowing what was happening there. It is the farmer's wife's hasty work that she killed the animal who had saved her child. But just at once there, she heard the baby crying, and therefore she wiped her flowing tears and went to feed the baby who was intact in the cradle. Now write down the words meaning and the question which are flashing on the blackboard and solve it in your notebook.